Hi! In front of me is ZTE Axon 30, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. First of all, you need to access Play Store and click on the search bar right away. Then type in DevCheck. After that, you need to download this free app from this developer, DevCheck Device and System Info, and when it's ready, just open it. Now, thanks to this free app, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!